Hello, Mr. Kiran. I am delighted to present the architectural concept created by ongrid.design. Today, we will embark on a journey through the meticulous layout of your future home. Let us begin. The floor plan contains dimensions, cardinal directions, and a suggestive internal furniture layout. Let's embark on this architectural exploration. Starting from the core logic behind the floor plan, we will then delve into the intricate relationships among rooms, their orientations, and sizing. The building pad is set with a 4 feet margin on the rear and utility side of the plot, a tapering setback of 12 feet from the parking side, and a 9 feet setback from the front. This design allows for easy access around the building while creating fascinating interactive open spaces. Our tour begins from the northeastern side with an inviting entrance foyer. Elevated at 450 millimeters from the ground level, a grand double-panel door welcomes you into a lobby that immediately draws your gaze to the elevator wall, the captivating metal screen, and a vast open living room to the left. The entrance lobby is bathed in natural light, thanks to 3 slit windows, a stimulating architectural element. As we move into the living room, we find a spacious public zone with a 5+2-seater arrangement and a niche dedicated for the puja room. Further, we come across a screen and console that separate the semi-public spaces, the dining, kitchen, and elevator lobby. Our state-of-the-art kitchen is an L-shaped unit with a dedicated breakfast bar island. A sprawling 22 feet of running counter to integrate appliances, utilities, and storages. Connected to the kitchen is the utility and store with a separate service access, ensuring a distinct path for caretakers, away from guest access. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll find an opulent 8-seater dining space, strategically positioned amidst the staircase, bedrooms, and elevator lobby. Delving deeper, we encounter twin bedrooms, each boasting dedicated bathrooms, walk-in closets, a plush king-size bed, a seating arrangement, and a TV console. The bathrooms exhibit vanity units, WC, and separate shower units, tactfully segregating the wet and dry zones. Turning our attention towards the staircase, its open design invites a flood of natural light and offers a refreshing view of the external landscape. Now, let's ascend to the first floor, either via the elevator or the open, well-lit staircase. Here, you are greeted by a casual family room arrangement, nestled between 2 bedrooms and a study room. The bedrooms offer private terraces, bathrooms, and attached walk-in closets. The family room opens to a terrace overlooking the property's front, perfect for a gazebo as suggested. An architectural novelty here is a sloped glazing above the shrine, casting magical light effects that enhance the aura. All rooms are positioned according to Vastu principles, ensuring a harmonious blend of natural lighting, ventilation, and a clear demarcation of public and private spaces. And that concludes our walkthrough of the architectural concept for your future home. Each element has been meticulously planned for a comfortable and luxurious living experience. We eagerly look forward to hearing your feedback, Mr. Kiran.